What's up, guys? It's a very sunny afternoon here in Lubbock. Jesus. We're out here. It's an 8th mile drag event, 100% payout. I think so far there's 12 people in my class. It's just a street tire, whatever bullshit. I wasn't gonna race, and I was like, you know what, fuck it. I could go out here. People, you know, anything could happen. It's drag race, so. The surface is really slick. Everyone out there is spinning their tires, so that's a plus for me. I am about to go get in line to do a test pass myself, see how she feels. Should be a pretty good night overall. A lot of drag racing videos for you guys. Hopefully we go and do some stuff afterwards as well, but wish me luck. an event that was. I did not think I would even make it into the third round, let alone the final round. There was like Hellcat, there was CTSV, Z06, some nitrous cars, a couple other turbo cars. Like, I didn't think I really stood a chance. What I was hoping was that some of the slower cars with traction would beat out the faster guys that don't know how to drive very well, or just lack of traction, whatever you want to call it. And that's exactly what happened. A lot of cars knocked each other out. I had a couple good fights. The Nitrous Jeep is actually local here in Clovis with me. I was super nervous on that one, and with the 4th Gen Camaro, I thought it was Karma from another 4th Gen Camaro, so I didn't think I was going to win that one either. I was kind of nervous on the first race with the 335i. I was like, damn, like what if this dude has, you know, whatever. 335i's can be pretty intense. So I made it down to that last freaking round, dude, and I slowed down for you guys, and I jumped the light because he threw his hand up, and I let off, you know, let off, and then he did the light. Like, he waited and then clicked it. It's my own fault. I really thought I saw the light, but it's whatever. I'm happy that I even made it that far, which was pretty cool, but I missed out on like almost 700 bucks. It was a complete payout for each one of the classes, so. Oh well, I had friends and all the rounds, and everybody had fun. It was a really good time. It's actually a couple of my friends that threw the event on. This is the first time that they did this at an actual track, I believe, so it was pretty sweet. Definitely going to more no prep events and gonna enter, because you never know what might happen, especially on a slick track like that. You never really know. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shit like this, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.